How to shorten a watch metal strap band, bracelet. Before you will start, you need tools used for watch repair called bracelet pin remover tool. Removing a section of a watch metal bracelet. Use the watch band pin remover as shown below. The pin remover can be adjusted in height so the metal band faces exactly the tool's needle, and in width so it adapts to the width of the band. Fit the pin remover tool to any pin of the second section of the watch band, and to any side of the watch bracelet. Turn the screw clockwise, and the needle will be pushing out the first pin, then repeat the same to the second pin in order to completely free the bracelet section. A watch bracelet section removed from the watch band along with its two holding pins. Reattaching the watch band after shortening it. Now, you need to use one of the two watch band pins you removed to reattach the third and first sections of the bracelet. Take a look at the pin ends and you will notice the end is finished to a similar color appearance as for the strap. One end is split in two, the other side of the pin is not, and this is due to the fact the pin is U-shaped. Make sure to introduce the pin between the bracelet sections exactly like the others, i.e. to have the split side to the same side than the other pins. Use again the bracelet pin remover tool to refit the pin. Using a flat metal piece like this coffee spoon handle between the needle and the strap pin will make it much easier to push it in there. That's it. Try your watch and remove another section if needed. This bracelet pin remover tool very important. If you will buy online, watch others attach the bracelet pin remover tool. Thank you for watching, hope you like it. Please subscribe and select all little icon. YouTube will notify you if there is new update video on this channel.